Hi everyone, my name's Mark. I am a fluid artist and I'm based in Bolton in England. I've never ever done a video before. Now people have asked me, where are your videos when I post my creations on my Instagram and my Facebook? And the answer was always, there isn't a video. Well, I have taken the plunge and I'm going to do my first video. And it's thanks to my good friend Vince Godowner, who has inspired me to get on YouTube and show people how I do my creations. So I hope you like what you see. Please bear with me as I find my way through making and editing videos, and I'd really appreciate any feedback or any comments that you've got to just tell me if you enjoy what you're seeing, how I can improve, what you'd like to see. I'd really love your ideas and your feedback. I'm excited. Let's go and create something. Okay, so I'm going today to work on a 24 by 12 inch canvas. It's gallery wrapped. It's a deep edge canvas. I seem to be working with deep edge canvases more and more these days. But I'm going to use blue tones and I'm going to do a Dutch pour. So let's see what I create. Okay, so I have prepped my canvas. I like to paint the sides first because that's just kind of the way that I've always done it. So on the base, I'm going to use a Wedgewood and a light blue. I'm using two different brands. I'm using Amsterdam and the System 3 acrylic paints. And then I'm going to use all different blue tones in the middle and then blow it out each side. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm putting the base colours down. That's the Wedgewood and the sky blue. Both colours are opaque, which means I'm going to get a good consistency on the canvas. As I blow out, I will also make sure that the settings on my blower are good. I've had paint everywhere up the walls before, so I always double check just before I do that. Now you'll see that I'm trying to ensure that the coverage is consistent. I don't want puddles on the canvas that I'm not going to be blowing out, because if the paint dries at a slower rate, that's what's going to cause my cracking. So I'm making sure that the paint for both sides is consistent. I'm covering the sides. I'm not too worried about the middle because I'm going to put some more paint there and I'm going to blow it out. So it doesn't have to be precise or exact, but at this stage I want to make sure that I do cover the canvas consistently and get the sides covered, which, you know, I have done, which is brilliant. So I can see quite a few air bubbles, so I'm just going to use this to get rid of the air bubbles. Okay, just a little bit there on the corner that I've missed. That's fine. Okay, so I'm going to start layering my blues. And I've also got a silver, because I think that's going to help the colours pop. So I'm going to start with this one. Okay, so that one was the that one was Brilliant Blue by Amsterdam, and now I'm going for the Greyish blue. It's got a like a purple tone to it, which is nice. Lay that on the top. Okay, I'm going to then do some silver. One of my favourite colours is Prussian blue hue. So this is going to be a lot darker than all the other tones. So I'm going to just see how this works. Okay. There's a bit of that colour on the top. Okay. put a little bit more Wedgewood here to blow the colours out. And some of the sky blue, the light blue, sorry. Okay, again, I'm going to get rid of the air bubbles. This is the exciting part. This is the bit I love because I've layered the paints, I know the colours that I wanted, and I have no idea how they're going to react until I blow them out. So let's see what we can create here. Okay, so I'm just going to wait to see if there are any reactions in with the combinations of the paint that I've used. Okay, right, I'm gonna go for it. I love these colour combinations and some of these cells that are popping up here. I think I've still got a lot of paint just here. I might blow some more of that out. I just love the way it moves across. I like the edging here. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. Okay, so I always get to this point and think, shall I fiddle? Or shall I just wait and see what happens? Do you know what? I'm gonna wait and see what happens. I'm going to see if I can get any more cells. I'm going to take you in for a closer look in a minute, but I think I've still got too much paint here. Okay, what to do? What to do? Okay. No, I like it. Okay, so you guys know that this is my first video, and it's so different talking out loud when you create something, but I'm so pleased that I have filmed this because not only can I share how I create my pieces, you know, over the years I've learned from so many artists online that I've always appreciated how they've created something, just seeing that step-by-step movement of a piece as well. And you know, the lacing and the cells in this piece is gorgeous, so I'm going to take you in for a closer look. So when we go close up, you can see some of the cells, and I just love that lacing. Those blue coloured tones are just perfect. This is better than what I expected, and I am so proud of this piece. Okay, so the piece is fully dry. I had so much fun doing this, and I've done my first video. Please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for standing by me and watching my first video. I hope there's many more to come. I've actually enjoyed doing this, so let's see what happens in the future. I'd love to share some more of my creations with you. So please subscribe, share out to your friends. If you think people would like to see what I create, then please share that with them. So thank you again and have a good week.